Over years of operation, even the highest quality hydraulic pumps and motors will eventually require replacement. Rexroth's RPM program meets that need, making it quicker and easier to obtain new or remanufactured replacement pumps or motors that meet the quality standards specified by the original manufacturers of the equipment. As a Rexroth authorized distributor, GCC has quick access to new and remanufactured Bosch Rexroth pump and motor replacements for a large variety of mobile equipment. The RPM program features the options of refurbished and new pricing. Most parts ship within 24 hours, and you get to work with your trusted sales representative from GCC. Our service and repair divisions located in Miami, Florida, Portland, Oregon, and Spokane, Washington can assist with repairing your hydraulic parts as well. A GCC service and repair features test stands available in our service and repair divisions, efficient repair evaluations, repair of hydraulic pumps, motors, valves, and cylinders. All repairs are 100% tested for elimination of leaks. We also completely reseal and thoroughly clean all cylinders. We even offer the option for retubing and eye boring. As an authorized Bosch Rexroth solutions provider, GCC is your source for Rexroth RPM program pumps and motors.